Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. I'm starting off by doing a version of that TikTok nail hack. Now that is where you apply cuticle oil, then you do 2 layers of top coat right on top. And you guys know that I have used this before and this method works really well, like almost too well. So I wanted to try it with just 1 layer of top coat to see if my nails would last a little bit longer, and they did. I was able to wear this set of nails for like 2 days, and then I was able to kind of pop them off, and that was really nice. So I'm taking these clear long stiletto nail tips. I use these all the time, and I'm just using this dollar store nail glue, and I'm applying that right on top. You guys know how to put on tips, so once we have our tips on, we are going to kind of cut our nails to like a shorter length. Now I've been trying to tell you guys lately, I like long nails, but I don't know, I'm kind of just burned out right now, so you guys will be seeing me do more of like shorter sets. I hope you're okay with it. I don't know, I'm just feeling it more right now. I don't know what's going on. And you guys, yes, I am still sick, unfortunately. I'm starting to feel a lot better though, thank God. I'm literally probably like at 75 out of 100. Like, we're almost feeling better, but yeah, I wanted to come back through and say hello to you guys. I hope all is well. I hope y'all are doing good. And yeah, so right now I'm currently putting on some base coat onto these nails, and I do 2 layers. I only show 1 layer. You do not have to do 2 layers. That was just me being secure because I didn't do the best job of blending the tips in with my natural nails. So definitely do that and then just use 1 layer. So once I cure that for 60 seconds, I went ahead and did my film off camera just to kind of play around with it. I'm taking this Beetles foil gel glue and I'm applying that to 2 of my fingers. And I went ahead and cured that for a minute. And then I'm taking this yellow gold like nail foil, and I'm kind of just being sporadic. I'm also taking a copper color as well and doing the same exact thing. Now you guys, I was going for like a fall like leaf foliage moment, so I wanted to make sure that my nails had a lot of like clear spaces in them. That's why I went with clear tips. If you're someone who prefers like full color solid everything, you can definitely, put a color underneath of this, or even, try to foil your whole nails, but that isn't what I was going for. But if you prefer that, then just do that. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and encapsulate that with my IBD clear builder gel. Now if you want, you could always use polygel, or you could even just do like another layer of base coat. It's completely up to you. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, in this video I do not focus a lot on building up the strength of my nails because like I showed you, I'm gonna pop these nails off within the next day or 2, so I'm not doing this for security. So if you are going to wear these nails out for an extended period of time, just make sure you build up the strength of your nails so that, if your nail breaks, you don't get hurt. So right now I'm taking these Burano Marble ink nail polishes, and I have a video on that. I will link it in the cards above. Right now I'm just taking that orange color, which is really pretty and perfect for fall. And I'm just being, adding little dots here and there random. I'm not being too like particular because like I said, I do want some kind of clear parts to kind of show through the nails. Then next I'm taking the gold from that same kit, and I'm kind of just putting that on top of some of the orange and kind of making sure that it kind of diffuses the orange a little bit. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of the red just to intensify the copper colors in the nails, and I thought this really helped set the nails off. And you'll see right now I'm taking that clear that comes with it, and I'm kind of just diffusing some of that orange. And for some reason, I don't know why I wasn't recording, but I did the same exact thing. I just used the orange and the gold and kind of just put little drops here and there. But for these nails, I focused it more in a diagonal, shape, because that's, how I wanted my, well, you guys will see. That's how I wanted it to look. And you guys, I really like these like marble polishes. Like, I was really impressed by these. I definitely want to order some more from a couple different brands because I kind of need some more colors. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for more of those videos because I'm kind of obsessed. Okay, so once that's done, I'm literally just going to go ahead and add this kind of like a yellow gold nail polish from Beetles. And I'm just outlining around it because I really wanted to make sure that you could see the gold in the nails after I, put on the design that goes on there. And I did go ahead and cure that gold nail polish before I did this step. And you guys will see right now I'm just taking that IBD builder gel again, and I'm just doing a layer on top, not a super strong layer, but like a nice layer. One thing I will say is if you do use these blooming polishes / alcohol inks, please make sure that they are dry completely because these do not cure in the lamp. They dry on their own time and you could smudge your design. Now I do end up smudging my design in like literally a second, but it is a very easy fix. You can literally just wipe it off. See, look, we're good. And after I cure that for 60 seconds, I'm just going in with my base coat, and I'm using this as a glue to glue down these leaves. And I have no idea why they make those containers so hard to open. It literally is insane to me. But I'm just taking this orangey colored leaf as well as these yellow gold leaves, and I'm just kind of doing like alternating colors, putting them in a diagonal fashion. And I thought these colors worked perfectly with the colors we had on our nails. I thought it looked so good together. Oh my god. And yeah, guys, definitely let me know down below if y'all are into the fall leaf nails or if you're over it. It's funny, I almost didn't buy the leaves because I was like, nobody wants to still see that, but I don't know, something about Halloween happening, it makes you forget that fall is still here, that it's not Christmas. So I wanted to at least get up a traditional fall like nail video before, we get into the Christmas sets, which I'm so excited for. I've been like low-key trying to plan out Christmas nails because I promise you, the whole month of December, that is what you guys are getting. I'm not even playing. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm encapsulating all my nail designs. I do this all the time, that way when I start filing I don't really mess up anything underneath. And y'all, I did go thin with this as well just because I knew I wasn't gonna have to do a lot of filing, but I also am not wearing these nails for long, so this is the time you take where if you want to build your nails up, you do it, because if not, when you break your nail, it's literally gonna suck so bad and it's gonna hurt. So just be smart and make sure that you guys, build them up if you are going to be wearing these for an extended period of time. Okay, and for the nails that have the sequins on them, or glitters, whatever you want to call them, I call them sequins, but you want to make sure you go ahead and put on an initial slip layer, and that way it kind of just helps for when you start to really build up on top of the the glitters, because these sometimes have like really sharp pokey edges, and a lot of times if you don't completely cover them with gel, when you go to file they will kind of come out and it could potentially mess up your nail design. So you just want to make sure that you take your time and really make sure that you get every edge of the sequins. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. Oh my god, I cannot wait till I feel better so that I can really start doing more sit down videos. I will be working on my giveaway video this week. It's so weird, like I'm trying to do this stuff for the giveaway and I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're making it happen. I'm a one-woman team, so we're gonna get there in the end. Okay, so once that's done and once we cure it and file, now I decided that I liked these nails matte. I thought that when they were shiny, it kind of was giving me like old lady vibes with the colors. I'm not gonna lie to you, but something about the matte on top of like the copper and gold just looked so freaking pretty that I could not like get over it. Now I do show myself putting on the matte top coat onto those two nails with the leaf designs. I'm just gonna warn you, I do take that off because I wanted those to be the shiny nails and to keep the rest of the nails matte, and I really liked how that looked, so I will be taking off that matte layer and putting on a shiny top coat. Okay, so once those are done, that is how that looks. Like, look how good that looks with the shiny and the matte. Like, you guys, these are the perfect Thanksgiving nails. Like, I cannot get over it. So yeah, I hope you guys love how these turned out. I know I did, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Definitely don't forget to subscribe while you're here, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.